come with me as we go and do a custom switch for a customer. So the first thing we do after we get a custom switch order from a customer is that we come on and we have to create the file manually. All these things are custom made, so the customer has their own custom words and symbol inputted on the file straight through the website, and we can jump on and create that file for them now to put into the laser etcher. Beautiful. That one's been laser etched. Now we're going to take it to our testing bench, make sure the color comes through perfectly and that the switch can activate as it should. Beautiful. That switch is tested, ready to go straight out to the customer.